Hello, let's do the New York Times Hard Sudoku for December 19th, 2023. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. Okay, let's just get started normally at the top here. We have two threes looking in, so there's a 3 up here somewhere. Trying to see if there's anything else. We don't have any other repeated digits. There's a lot of 7s looking into this box, which I just noticed, so let's just do that. So there's a 7 in one of these two. But up here, I'm not seeing much to do. So let's just move on. This row is almost complete. Let's just think about what it needs. In fact, we know it needs a 6, and these can't be 6, so that's a 6. And then this is going to be a triple, which will fill out 3, 5, and I missed something. 4. 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so this 2 then looks into this box, and this 2 looks in, so 2's in one of these two. Oops, wrong mode. So these are not the 3, 4, 5, and they're not the 2, 7. So if you think about it, if you count, that's 4, 5, 6 digits accounted for. So these are at best 3 digits each, but I'm seeing, okay, I think this has, okay, yeah, I'm seeing this 8 look in, this 9 look in. Oh, this 9 looks in at both. In fact, let's do that first, because that's going to be better. So this 9 looks into here. These aren't 9. Yeah, these two 9s look in. So there's 9 in one of these two. Now, what have we discovered here? We discovered that in this box, the 2 is in one of these two cells. That's what that corner mark means. And the 9 is in one of these two cells. That's what that corner mark means. Well, if the 2 is in one of these two and the 9 is in one of these two, there's only 2 cells for the 2 and the 9. So they must be 2, 9. That's called a hidden pair. Importantly, that means this is not a 7. If this were a 7, I would not be able to fit both 2 and 9 in the box. So we can remove 7 as an option from there. As soon as we do so, we can now see that 7 has only one place in the box to be, which is right there. And then now this is a pair for the remaining digits. It's 1 and 8. And actually this 8 looks up, so that's the 1, that's the 8. Very nice. Yeah, I suspected these were singles. Okay, so I'm looking at how there's 4 digits left in this row, and then I was looking at all these givens here. We also have this 4 looking down. So actually this 4 is in, yeah, okay, so this 4 is not in these two, so the 4 is in one of these two. But let's think about all of the digits this row needs. It needs 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are 3, 4, 5. Okay, this can't be 5. So this is, oh, okay, yeah, hold on. Wait, no, I was wrong about 3, 4, 5. I excluded 6 instead of 4. These are 3, 5, 6. Yeah, wait, the 4 and the 6 can't be here. Okay, so this is a hidden 4, 6 pair. And in fact, we can place the 4 and the 6. Really what I did is I placed the 6 in this row, then I placed the 4 in this row. And then we're left with 3 and 5 here, and this can't be 5. So that's the 3, that's the 5. So this pair is 7, 8. This triple is 1, 3, and 5. All right, so this band is pretty close to just collapsing. All right. Let's move on to this band, and then we'll go vertical, and I think vertical will get us a lot. This 1 and this 1, not quite good. Oh, this 1 also. Okay, good. So 1 is placed in this box. Let's look at 1s real quick. So these 1s look in, this 1 looks down. So there's a 1 here as well. And then there's a 1 here. And then we're down to a 1 in one of these two. So these 1s are the last ones in the grid. Okay. 2 9s look over. This 9 and this 9 look down. So 9 is placed. Oops, 9 is placed. Okay, so this is full, so we should look at, I'm starting to do verticals. Let's hold off on verticals real quick. Make sure I didn't miss anything obvious horizontally. Yeah, I think verticals are the way to go here. In fact, I want to start with this column. So we need 2, 7, 8. That's bottom one's not an 8, so 8's up here. This is not a 7. Okay, so let's just fill out 2, 7, 8. Yeah, this can't be, no, this can't be 2 or 8, so that's the 7. We're left with a 2, 8 pair here. That means this is a pair. 6 and 7. Okay. This quadruple, well, first of all, this 3 is looking down, so 3's in one of these two. This we have the ones. 5 looks down here, so 5 is one of these two. All right, I think it's better just to think about these at this point. So 3 goes here, 5 goes here. What else are we missing? 6 and 8. Okay, so that's not 6, that's not 8. Got it. All right, vertically here, I was going to say, okay, we have these 8s here, and this 8 looks in, so 8's in one of these two. 6, 8, 2. Yeah, 2 looks down, 2 looks in, so 2's in one of these two. So we should follow up on this. These 8s look up, so 8's up here somewhere. And then also these 2's look up, putting 2 up here somewhere. Yeah, in general, these are 2, 3, 5, 8. I'm seeing that these two can't be 3 and this one can't be 5. So these are both, these are both 2, 5, 8, and these are 2, 3, 8. All right, what else can we do here? 7s, 3s. How about this column? This column needs 2, 3, 4, 5. These aren't 3. Doesn't help too much. So this is 2, 3, 4. Well, it's not a 3 either. Yeah, 2, 4 only. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. This seat doesn't see any of that. This whole box needs 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 might be interesting. Yeah. So 6 is in one of these two. That's going to point up along with this 6, putting a 6 in one of these two. But we have this 6, 7 pair here. So this can't be 6. So that's the 6. So 6 in this box is placed because we have the 6, 7 pair, we have this 6 looking in, and then we have these two 6s looking up. So 6 is placed. I don't know why I didn't see the 2 6s looking up earlier. This row is now down to 2, 4, 5, 8. This is 2, 4, 5. This appears to be any of them. Okay, what about 7s? Hold on, I think I missed 7 when I penciled this? Yeah, I did. And in fact, it has to be a 7. So this 7, that was a mistake, but I luckily caught it. While these 7s look in, the 6, 7 pair looks in, this 7 looks in, this is not 7. So 7 is placed here. I missed that when I penciled the row. I had just penciled that though, so luckily I noticed that. This is the 2, 4, 5, 8. In fact, had I thought about 7, I would have found it, but I didn't. Okay. What about these cells? Is there anything special going on there? 2, 3, 4, 8, 9. 9 maybe? No. I'm noticing 9s in these two, but okay. Is there somewhere else to be looking? I got this 7. Yeah, so the 7 looks down. These two 7s look in. Yes, okay. So that places that 7 and that 8. These are not 8s. So that places this 8, and then that places this 5, leaving a 3, 6 pair. We get the 7 and the 8 here, the 6 and the 7 here. Very nice. Okay, we just got a bunch of digits, but I'm not sure how much they help. This row is down to 3 digits. We need a 3, 4, and 5, it looks like. I notice it makes this 4, 5 pair here. So this is down to 2, 9, just to finish the column. 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Okay, the 4 is not down here, so the 4 is up here. That's going to point up along with this 4, and this 4 looks in, placing a 4 here. There's still 2 places for 3, but that's 2, that's 9. So we can clean that up a little bit. This is 2 and 9. Okay, that's not a 2 anymore. In fact, we're down to 4, 5, 8 here. The only thing I'm seeing is this 4. So 4 is up here. What else do we have going on here? This is 3, 4, 5. It's not 5, so it's 3, 4. That's a 3, 4, 5 triple. So this is 2 and 6. All right. This is not 6. Okay. So, oh, I was going to say 6 is in one place, but it's in 2 places. How about down here? We need 2, 3, 5, 6. Well, clearly the 5's down. Oh, okay, interesting. So the 5 is down here in this box, which means this cannot be a 5, which means the 5's up. Yeah, and the 5 is up here in this box as well. Okay, this 2, 6 pair. No, it doesn't help. 2, 3, 4, 5 here. I'm just going to fill this at this point. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not 2 and 4. That's not 4. That's not 5. This is a 1, 3. This isn't 3, so this is 1 or 5. Okay, I'm missing something obvious, probably. This is all 3, 4, 5, 8. So the 8 goes here. Yeah, I can mark that. It doesn't really help. Oh, it kind of helps, actually, because we can think about where... Oh, yeah, I should have just thought about this row. This row is a 3, 8, has 3 and 8 left, and this 8 sees up. But what I was seeing is that these lined up. So this row cannot have 8s here. But really, I could have just filled this 3 and this 8 for the row. But anyway, can't always see things in the most optimal, easiest way to see them. All right, this is all finishing. 4, 5, 3, 8, 4, 5, 2, 5, 3, 1, 5, 1, 2, 8. Last digit's a 9, and we're done. Nice. All right, got a little bit stalled because I just wasn't noticing some restricted, this row specifically got super restricted and I didn't notice that. But otherwise, pretty clean solve. This one also felt pretty straightforward. Another puzzle where you just get most of a band or stack right away, and then the rest just goes very cleanly. I'm not even sure that there was a whole lot going on in this puzzle. So yeah, a little bit on the easier side again. Let me know how you did. And of course, if you enjoyed this, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.